Okay, it's high time. The birds are coming. But what do we need next? The big red bird, the smasher, the crusher, the one that's fat. Don't talk to me like that. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I got it. Now let's do this then. So, he's bigger than all the other birds. So you draw a big circle. Don't call me big! The big circle. Then, he's different. He likes it. And he's mad. He's really, really, really angry. Now, don't ask me how they got this bird in order, because I haven't really been updated on Angry Birds so much. And his eyebrows totes big. Oh man, I forgot to show you that last step. He's insane in the membrane. Did you see that from The Amazing World of Gumball? You had to see it. So, they were doing a smart and dumb test on the fish guy. Forgot what his name is. And then, the brain said, I know who's really smart. Then, Darwin said, don't listen to him. He's insane in the membrane. So, you did it. It would be better if you watched it. So here are the eyes. Hey, look, he's not that happy. The pigs really, really messed him up. They're just bacon, says the annoying orange. Do you guys like the annoying orange? Because I'm going to get lessons on how to draw them soon. Oh no, the word's out. Everyone now knows how to draw the annoying orange. So, yeah, it's kind of weird if I would do that. Some people just say, that guy's plain annoying. It's in his culture. Name. So don't really give him a hard time about it. What if you were annoying and your name was Annoying Orange? Are oranges like really that snappy? Just like thinking out loud. I know, it looks terrible. I know, I could have done a lot better. You know, since I could have done a lot better, I'm erasing that. You kind of followed off me, I know it. So kind of go from the edge, make the triangle, go up, make a kind of weird triangle, then go there. Then go from the side, kind of go up here, triangle, then here. Now it kind of looks bad since you erased it along with me. So just don't really pay attention to that. Tell your friends and family, hey, it was Gusty's fault. Because it definitely was my fault. And I apologize. So deeply. I apologize more than I would ever apologize to anybody. Because that was such a big fail and mess up. It was the most fail and mess up. Now you're gonna have to see some weird stuff from the computer. That's him so far. But to show that he's the big and bad bird, he like has some weird spots. Which I guess all of them have that I don't really show. But I'm not drawing the spots right now. What's weird is I always bring up the part that I'm just going to do next. So now we are drawing the spots. I think we should draw the spots for him, mainly because it gives a difference on who he is. We all want people to know who we are. And I'm giving him the chance for us to know who he is. Because we would be nice to an angry, mad bird. Don't call me angry or mad. Well, I am angry, so you can call me angry, because most everyone calls me an angry bird. But don't just that. So that's it. So, it kind of looks like polka dot, afro. But he's not so polka dot afro. Then he has some circles from his eyes. Birds that have this really think, did they sleep last night? Because look. So, this did say deluxe edition. So, take out your magic Sharpie. Just pause it if you need to take out your magic Sharpie. Or if you need to grab your magic Sharpie. But you should be at a working area. But I would suggest doing the deluxe part because it kind of brings them out. So what time is it? So thank you for staying with me for all these rough times. Because when people stay with me and watch it a lot, I know that I'm really counted on. And if you have a YouTube channel, I bet you feel maybe a little bit differently, but kind of the same way. And here's a little bit of disappointing news. I may not get to draw for, or I will get to draw, but might not get to put up videos for a few days, but Memorial Day, I'll have my fantastic Memorial Day draw special. So that's going to be fun, making up for all the days that I didn't get to spend time with all you guys. So look, it looks like that. And it just really, this really just brings out the color in all the birds. So erase all your pencil lines that you can see, so it looks really good and professional. Is that what we want? For it to look professional and for other people to agree, hey, that looks professional. So yeah, you always want that. You always want, oh yeah, that looks great, instead of, oh, great job. Because then when people say it that way, they're like, oh yeah, they don't appreciate my work and I must have done something wrong. So here, look. The blackbird, not the blackbird, stupid today. The red big bird. So that was it for now. That was it for today. Wait, no it's not. No it's not. I still have time. So, if you want to, oh man, I did that so wrong. It's going to have so much big effect. Mainly because I was writing big. So look, it says Big Birdie. See, Big Birdie. So, if you saw my video, which is up on the screen, I believe, about bubble lettering, well, it has some bubble lettering in it. It was the Redbird show from space. And the space birds are really, really, really cool. Just not really wanting to talk about them since we aren't doing that. But I will have a little update on this, which should be up on the screen too, if I did get a chance. What you really, really need to do is look at that video. And next time I think I will do some bubble lettering lessons. So you can't forget that. I need to fit in as much as I can before we go on a little vacation. Or at least I think we're going on a little vacation. I don't really know. I may get to do some how to draw there. I may not. So be thinking positive. I hope I have a great vacation. But I will get to draw. I'll bring back some pictures too. Maybe I'll see an angry bird smashing a pig. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? I think it would. But no matter what, I will have my big Memorial Day special. And it's going to be big. So much pictures and all that jazz. So, Big Birdie, you just got that done, Big Birdie. So take your magic Sharpie and make that Big Birdie know where it's going. Now, maybe Memorial Day might have several parts to it because we can't fit it in one. So you'll see like but they'll all be posted. The videos will part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on will be posted on there so you can see. And if you do have any how-to suggestions, ring my bells. Or just post a comment. Ringing bells is not a good thing to do. Speaking of ringing bells at this park, there's like bells for little kids and it says, "Yo, ring my bells." And everyone there with me thought that was so hilarious. Don't mean to give your hopes up, but I did too. So, here you go. Big Birdie. Color code time. The whole entire bird is red. The circles are dark red. Even the, things around his eyes are dark red. His big eyebrow, black. The little chest part, little thing right here, black. I mean, tan. The Big Birdie is red. Thank you for watching.